Have you thought anything more than tragic than that? Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. But where's my groom? My Jonathan! Father's eyes were apprehensive. Madeline, this is preposterous. Didn't I warn you? Didn't I warn you? Is this what you call maturity and independence at 18? I guess we better hurry home. But this is not how playwrights picture love. Romeo died for Juliet, Pyramus for Thisbe, Hansel called a many splendid things. And Princess Margaret gave up the crown for love. Jonathan, wait till I get it. I am determined to pursue an artistic justification of my plan. I remember how I fought father and mother when first they refused our young engagement. But how we talk to them about independence.
How we talk to them.
Ang sato ko. But how we talk to them about independence and youth self-reliance by the new breed, ready, willing and able not only to vote at 18 but also get married at 18. I have imagined what my grandmates would say. Poor Madeline. She was almost a bride. Jonathan must have found out that she's a square. And all mother can say is, this is most embarrassing. Indeed, I should have to join the Crusaders for blessed singleness. I should have noted what my father confessor, Father Martin, said when I talk about Jonathan and marriage. Madeline, you're not ready. Yung position is Madeline, you're not ready for it. I guess you have to listen to your parents this time. But I didn't. I was like a spoiled and stubborn child immensely carried away by the now generation. Indefatigable cry for self-assertion.
Assertion.
For self-assertion. I was like Jane Fonda speaking for the women's faith movement. The phone keeps on ringing. Hello? 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 Don't you dine with Mr. Jonathan Anderson?
Ringer.
May I be privileged to know where were you at 9 o'clock sharp this morning? What? Do you know what you did?
Well,
Well, if you don't, then you never knew. I've been stood up on my wedding day because my groom forgot and fell asleep. Marriage at 18. How do you like that?
laban ako.